Hi and welcome to the SKSH Academy. Today we are talking about coding and decoding. First question, how wardrobe is written as YXV, YX heights JV. W plus 2 is equal to Y, A minus 3 is X, R plus 4 is P, D minus 5 is Y, R plus 6 is X, O minus 7 is H, B plus 8 is J, E minus 9 is V. Similarly, accurate is written. A plus 2 is C, C minus 3 is Z, C plus 4 is G, U minus 5 is P, R plus 6 is X, A minus 7 is T, T plus 8 is P, E minus 9 is V. Answer is C is GPX TBV. How harvest is written? H is the 8th letter in the alphabet, A is 1, R is 18, V is 22, E is 5, S is 19, T is 22. Then add 2 to each numbers. 8 plus 2 10, 1 plus 2 3, 18 plus 2 is 20, 22 plus 2 24, 5 plus 2 7, 19 plus 2 21, 20 plus 2 22. Then alternate the first number to last number to first number. Similarly, F is the 6, add 2 is equal to 8. A is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, R is 18 plus 2 is equal to 20, M is 13 plus 2 is equal to 15, E is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, R is 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. 27, 15, 20, 38. Next question. P is the 16th letter into 2 is equal to 32. E is 5 into 2 is equal to 10. N is 14 into 2 is equal to 28. Similarly, T is 20 into 2 is equal to 40. U is 21 into 2 is equal to 42. B is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Answer is 40, 42, 4. Next question. H plus 1 is I, A plus 2 is C, M plus 3 is P, M plus 4 is Q, E plus 5 is J, R plus 6 is X. Similarly, W plus 1 is X, R plus 2 is T, E plus 3 is H, N plus 4 is R, C plus 5 is H plus 6 is N. Answer is X, T, H, R, H, N. Next question. Servant. S is the 19th letter. In this question, the vowel number is taken. A is the first vowel, E is the second vowel, I is the third vowel, O is the fourth vowel, U is the fifth vowel. So E is 2, R is 18, V is 22, A is 1, N is 14, T is 22. Similarly, M is 13, A is 1, G is 7, N is 14, I is 3, F is 6, Y is 25. Answer is 13, 17, 14, 3, 6, 25. Next question. Depend equal to EPHTJJ. In this question, first letter is related to last letter, second letter is related to previous last letter. So D plus 1 is E, N plus 2 is P, E plus 3 is H, P plus 4 is T, E plus 5 is J, D plus 6 is J. Similarly, L plus 1 is M, E plus 2 is J, V plus 3 is Y, A plus 4 is E, R plus 5 is N, T plus 6 is Z. Answer is M, G, Y, E, N, Z. Next question. How larva is written? L is 15. How L is related to 15? L is the 12th letter. The opposite letter of L is O. O is the 15th letter of L. This question also taking the vowels number. So, A is 1, R is 9, V is 5, A is 1, E is 2. Similarly, I is 3, N is 13, S is 8, E is 2, C is 24, T is 7. Answer is 3, 13, 8, 2, 24, 7. Next question. How straight is written? Interchanging the first two letter TS, next two letter RA is AR, IG is GI, HT is DH. Similarly, TH is HD, UR is RU, SD is DS, AY is YA. Answer is HT, RU, DS, YA. Next question. Gum. G is 7th letter, 7 square is 49. U is 21st letter, 21 square is 441. M is 13th letter, 13 square is 169. Similarly, W is 23rd letter, 23 square is equal to 529. A is 1, 1 square is equal to 1. X is 24, 24 square is equal to 576. Answer is 529, 1, 576. Next question. Python is written as P minus 4 is L, Y minus 4 is U, T minus 4 is P, H minus 4 is T, O minus 4 is K, N minus 4 is J. Similarly, R minus 4 is N, H minus 4 is T, Y minus 4 is U, T minus 4 is P, H minus 4 is T, M minus 4 is I. Answer is NDUPDI. Next question. How Earth is written? E is 5, A is 1, R is 18, T is 20, H is 8. Then interchange the numbers 8, 20, 18, 1, 5. Similarly, the orbit. O is 15, R is 18, B is 2, I is 9, T is 20. The answer is 20, 9, 2, 18, 15. Next question. How Jupiter is written? First and last letter are similar. Then say J, U plus 1 V, P minus 1 O, I plus 1 J, T minus 1 S, E plus 1 F, R is R. Similarly, Neptune. N is N, E plus 1 F, P minus 1 O, T plus 1 U, U minus 1 T, N plus 1 O, E is E. Answer is N F O U T O E. Next question. How sanction is written? S plus 5X, A plus 5F, N plus 5S, C plus 5H, T minus 5O, I minus 5T, O minus 5J, N minus 5T. Similarly, P plus 5U, R plus 5W, O plus 5T, F plus 5K, O minus 5J, U minus 5P, N minus 5T, D minus 5Y. Answer is UWTKJPTY. Next question. How cot is written? C is third letter and opposite number of A is 26, U is 21. Opposite number of G is 20, H is 8, opposite number of T is 7. Similarly, S is 19, opposite letter of O is 12, L is 12, opposite number of D is 23, E is 5, opposite number of R is 9. Answer is 19, 12, 12, 23, 5, 9. Next question. U is written C, K is written H, L is written U, N is written E, S is written N, E is written K, C is written N. How knuckles is written? K is H, N is E, U is C, C is N, K is H, L is U, E is K, S is L. H E C N H U K L. Thank you.